Basia i w tym wideo Wam pokażemy słodycz Ambrosias.
Hi, my name is Olivia and I'm going to tell you the ingredients of the Ambrosias. They are powdered milk, they have some sugar, wheat flour, they also have coconut, but you can't really taste it, so don't worry. Bye!
Ambrosias is a chocolate bar. It's really delicious and I can't wait for you to taste it.
Ambrosias are made here in Tenerife. They are very nice and I like eating them quite a lot. They are made out of natural ingredients mostly found here in Tenerife. My friend Basha here has never tried one, so we've already opened them and we're going to try them. Tell me what you think.
Yes. Okay. Oh, it's melting.
Oh, mine's also quite a bit melted. Ooh. You like it?
No, I love it. You need to try it. I'm serious about this, guys.
This is so nice.
Wait.
And you should really try it. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Arthur. I'm Rebecca. And I'm Fernando. Our snack is Koyak.
Para grabar.
One Koyak only cost 50 cents. Very cheap. Inside the Koyak, there is a bubble gum. Top quality, low price, delicious. It's the perfect lollipop. You have to try it out. Come on. Bye. Hope you like it.
Hello.
Hello. We are going to present Muchito chips.
All the people eat munchitos in Canary Island. Eat the most famous chips.
Munchitos are a salty snack that are too good.
Muchitos have a lot of type of flavor. Muchitos original, Muchitos pizza, Muchitos onion.
Now we are going to try them.
So nice.
So tasty.
Yum yum. They are so good.
No way! That's all.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Fabian and this is Javier. Today we are going to talk about one of the most popular snacks in the Canary Island, the platanito.
Wait, platanitos? I've never heard about them, and I've never eaten one of them.
Really? They are very delicious because they are very crunchy. Try one.
It smells good. Wow, it's a banana slice. A fried banana slice. Let's try it.
Do you like them?
Yes, they are very good and tasty, as you said, and crunchy also.
I hope you like them. Bye.
Don't forget to try platanitos maduritos.
I'm Alessia.
And I'm Pablo.
These are Fresquitos.
The best thing in the world.
These are sweet and sour.
They have different flavors like banana, strawberry, apple.
But these are cherry flavored. Fresquito, please. Fresquitos are a lollipop with sweet and sour powder.
You need to dip the lollipop and lick it.
We're going to demonstrate the Fresquitos. Ta-da!
Lollipop.
Hope you enjoyed.
Bye-bye.
Bye.